Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is HOOTMONEY here with another video for you guys today. Today we are going to be giving you guys yet again another update on the Workhorse, guys. Us on the Horse Ape Army Ape Centaur gang. We're holding strong. Diamond hands, guys. Diamond hands, because this one is a bumpy road, because we've got Workhorse down 3% on the day. We've just been waiting for over a week now for this thing to pop off. Short interest over 60%, so this thing is really truly set to explode any day now. And people who are doubting this, they're going to be caught just watching this stock go to the moon, because guys, we are in a time where meme stocks are completely taking over the marketplace, defying all fundamentals. Meanwhile, we have Workhorse sitting here set up better than any other stock to short squeeze, sitting here at the earliest possible stage. Guys, if you want to get in on a massive short squeeze, the stock that has the absolute most potential is Workhorse, and it still has that same potential. Nothing has changed about it. I don't really have any news or anything else to add on to my previous videos, so I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do, but I can tell you one thing for sure, that this stock is going to take off any single moment. Now, none of this is financial advice. Remember that. None of this is financial advice. Buy or sell at your own risk. However, everything I'm seeing here is perfect with Workhorse. Nothing's changed. Anyways, we're going to be taking a look at the stock price. We're going to do some technical analysis, take a look at the Ortex numbers, do the same drill that we always do for Workhorse. And yeah, I'm just ready. I'm waiting. I'm patient. I'm diamond handsing, and I'm just ready to go to the moon. So make sure you guys leave that like on the video if you guys appreciate these updates, and let's get right into it. Alright guys, so we're down 3% on the day. We're not even in the panic zone, guys. We were actually kind of close though this morning. We were at 383, still not the panic zone, but you know, that's tapping into some waters that we don't really like to see. Now, Workhorse is still set, like the shorts are still altogether down on Workhorse until it gets to the $13, $12 range. That's when shorts are really gonna pick up. They're gonna start winning. All right, so the short squeeze definitely still on the table. Now, guys, we had a rough hour this morning, and we've broken into this new channel, this lower channel, and we found support right at this line where I had support previously. And the other day when we saw that huge sell from all the way from 15 all the way down to about $14 a share in one single hour, and it closed below the old support line of $14.50, then that showed that yes, it could break down into this lower channel, and that's exactly what it's been doing. I was hoping that it would find support and bounce back up, but clearly it didn't want to do that. And I guess like the biggest risk right now is if we continue to just die down on the volume and the stock price goes down. I mean, shorts can't really short, and a big reason that volume is dying down is because there's a lot of hodlers. There's a lot of people who believe in Workhorse like you and me that are just holding our shares, so obviously there's not going to be too much volume. What Workhorse really needs right now is that buy pressure. We need an influx of new cash, new people to hop on board, and that's exactly what Workhorse needs. That's going to be what induces this short squeeze. That's going to be what takes us to the moon, guys. If we get that volume, if we're sitting around the same volume, just the hodl volume, we'll call it the hodl volume. If we keep this hodl volume continuing, yes, I see it trading sideways and potentially going down 1% or 2% each day. I don't think the shorts are going to win this though, because many people are picking up on the fact that Workhorse is set up better than any other stock, and we're in a time where short squeezes are happening left and right and right and left, and once this thing does start to pick up, shorts will be in the hole for so much money so fast. So we need to just keep those diamond hands. We need to keep spreading the word, spreading the information. As long as our posts don't get censored, there's other groups besides Wall Street Bets that we can talk about this stock and just keep people educated. And with that, let's talk about some of the short interest data. If you guys want up to $70 in free stock just for signing up, all you have to do is sign up and deposit as little as $1 and you get up to $70 in free stock. Use the link in the description or the pinned comment section to sign up for Public. And Public is an investing application where it's also a social media. So it's kind of like Robinhood and Twitter mixed together. You can follow people like me. You can follow other YouTubers that also use Public. You can ask some CEOs questions because about once a week they bring on a CEO where you can literally just say, hey, why do you do this about your company? Why does your company do this? You can ask them directly, and it's awesome. They had on the DraftKings CEO recently, and they always are going to have more people on there, and it's just an awesome platform. It's my favorite app to use in general, and yeah, up to $70 in free stock just for signing up using those links below. Let's get back into the video. Alright guys, so the short interest has gone down by almost 1% today, and we're currently sitting at a 58.83% short interest. Now, if we take a look at this chart, you can see that on Thursday, we reached a peak of 60.03 short interest, and then it's slowly gone down. Now, I don't know if this 1% decrease in short interest is because shorts are getting scared. These shorts are being paper hand. If it was just someone in to short it at 16 and get out at 15, I don't know what these shorts have in mind. All I know is that they are going to get it, all right? I haven't sold a single share of Workhorse. I put in the max amount. I have about $1,000 in shares now, and then still a few call options which are completely just decaying on me. However, yeah, I'm down on Workhorse, but I'm holding strong. I'm very confident in this squeeze, guys. And if this stock does squeeze, if this one does decide to short squeeze, it's set up to go over $100 per share. This is the one stock that I would say if it does short squeeze, it'll go to over $100 a share. If AMC can short squeeze from $10 a share to $60 a share, there's no doubt in my mind that Workhorse can short squeeze from about $14 a share to $100. It's just set up way better than any other stock. So it has to. I mean, that's just my personal opinion. Again, not financial advice, but this one's going to squeeze harder than any other stock when it does squeeze, and it will squeeze, guys. You see me talking about other stocks on this channel. You see me always say, oh, I'm not putting money into this one. It's too risky for me. Guys, I have over $1,000 in Workhorse and multiple different call options in Workhorse. This is my stock. This is my pick. This is the one that I'm staying true to. The fundamentals just make sense. Everything just makes sense. It's set up perfectly. I think Workhorse is going to explode. You guys can agree with me. You guys can disagree with me. You guys can buy. You guys can sell. None of this is financial advice. I am not telling you guys what to do. But I think Workhorse is going to explode. It has the most short interest on the entire stock market. Only about 100 million shares outstanding to be traded. And under $2 billion in market cap. This stock can see a 100% gain in a day. It can see even more than that. It could go all the way to $100 a share, and I'm not even like, I wish I was kidding. It's not going to be overnight, guys. You're not going to wake up tomorrow to these gains. But if you wait this one out, I am very confident, unless something completely changes in the market, which I will make a video updating you on anyways. I really see Workhorse absolutely exploding. This is my #1 gamble still as of today. And keep in mind that I still call it a gamble. I don't call this investing. This is not investing. This is quite literally gambling. Playing on these short squeezes is gambling. So I have to remind you guys that. Be prepared to lose all the money that you put in. Nothing is going to protect your investment from falling 50%. And the market can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. So even if you agree with me, even if you think Workhorse is set to absolutely explode, this market can play some tricks on you and steal all your money. So be very careful. that is my message for you Workhorse apes, guys. We are still in this game. I'm still holding strong. This is still my favorite stock. The Workhorse community is very strong, and that's why I love you guys, because you guys are holding strong. You guys are sticking together. No one's being shaken out here. We see these 2% down days, these 3% down days. We know that we just have to hold through, and everyone seems to be so confident in it because nothing really is changing, guys. We still have that short interest. We still have that low float. We still have that low market cap. Everyone is just waiting to put these shorts in the hole, and these shorts aren't making that money back. 3% down day is not going to make you guys money as short sellers. Like, I'm sorry, that might make you, if you're day trading it, from $14 to $13, but if you shorted this thing at $10 a share, guys, you're not getting this stock price back down. Like, the Workhorse community is so strong that I don't see this thing going under $13.50. That's the most you guys are gonna get. If you're short on Workhorse, the most you guys are gonna get for it is $13.50. I promise. And each day that you guys don't hit that $13.50 day, that's another day that we can use to spread the news. Tell people how screwed up Workhorse stock is right now. Oh, and once we get that exchange reported short interest and Workhorse is sitting at the top, guys, you already know what's coming. You already know what's coming. I'm ready for it. I know you're ready for it as well. This is going to be fun. It's not fun right now, but we're going to hold through it. And when it does come, we're going to celebrate together. All right, guys? So join that Discord link. I want every single one of you Workhorse ape centaurs to be in my Discord server so we can talk about Workhorse and I can have the best information possible because I know you guys are on top of it as well. And that's about it for the video. Make sure you guys use that link below to sign up for public if you haven't already. It's up to $70 in free stock. Like the video, subscribe to the channel for more, and peace.